Hi, Heidi here. This is a selection of outfits that I've worn this past winter. I thought I'd try doing a voiceover for this lookbook instead of music, so let me know which you prefer. This was a really fun outfit. I enjoyed wearing it a lot. It was quite a mild day, so I didn't need to wear a jacket. The hoodie I'm wearing here actually turned up on that day in the post, and I had to wear it the second I tried it on. The skirt is also a recent purchase that I've been wanting to wear, and being as they both are black and white, they went great together. I'm working on a haul at the moment that will feature a few things from this lookbook. I've been remembering to do more things with my hair recently as well, which I really enjoy as it adds much more variety. With this outfit, I didn't actually wear the earring out and about. I had meant to, but I couldn't find it before we left, so I just put it on for the video. The shrug I modified by adding the buckle onto the front. I felt like it needed an extra detail, and that worked really well. The top used to be a dress, but the skirt was really plain, and I knew I'd get much more out of it if I made it into a top. The shorts are the brand Plastic Wrap. I wear them all the time. They look amazing, but they're still really practical and comfortable for everyday wear. I really love this harness. It makes even a really simple outfit eye-catching and interesting to look at. I have got a video where I make this harness, so I will link that below if you're interested. I've had these leggings quite a while now. I wear them all the time. They were my mum's, but she didn't wear them, so gave them to me instead. I haven't yet found another pair of leggings that fit me anywhere near as good, so these are always a go-to. The boot straps I've got on these new rocks I found in the charity shop. I always just keep them on there permanently. They're the only boots they really work for because they have a separate heel. And this day I actually had some time to do a bit of eyeliner detailing. I can't remember if I wore a jacket with this or not. I probably did, because it was still quite chilly at this point. As you've probably noticed, I filmed this on the yellow level of the car park. I like to match my outfit to the background that I film it on when I am able to. I needed lots of layers for this outfit as I was on the train for several hours and it can get very cold. Comfort was also important, but I still wanted to enjoy what I was wearing, so this was the outcome of all those criteria. I've had this gilet since I was about 8 or 9, but I never used to wear it then, so it's still in excellent condition. I chose the 3/4 length sleeve cardigan so you could see these amazing sleeves. I really love this mask. It's the only one I've found so far that actually fits my face properly. This one you will already have seen if you watched my latest thrift with me, but I thought I'd show you it again in much better lighting as well. This dress is one of the most versatile things that I own. I really love how I can wear a sleeveless crop top in the winter layered underneath it. And then this harness I made layered over the top frames everything perfectly and holds down the bit of the dress that I've tucked inside, keeping it all nice and neat. I really like wearing these suspenders with this dress, as I usually do. I think it's really fun to have a semi-hidden detail that you can occasionally see. This one I wore without a jacket, especially as I was doing a lot of walking and I get very warm when I walk around, so it wasn't needed. The socks I'm wearing with this, I didn't actually intend for them to be visible, but I'd already put these fishnets over the top of them and I wasn't going to go and faff around tucking them back in, so I just went with it. This outfit did not leave the house. I was just doing things at home all day with this one. I chose things that were stretchy and comfortable. I have decided I will be DIYing the skirt, as it's just so much fabric. I felt a bit drowned by it. I will be making it into a mini skirt, and I'll make sure to do a video on that. I love this mesh cardigan. It goes with pretty much any outfit and adds a bit of drama to it as well. The choker is a thin belt that I wrapped around several times. The flower buckle on one of the tops was gold when I got it. I have since painted it silver with nail varnish, as I much prefer silver to gold. Ignore how muddy my boots are. It's unavoidable at that time of year. I went for a post-apocalyptic kind of look here, with a bit of industrial thrown in with the PVC trousers. They're actually great for muddy walks because they keep you dry and very warm. I had to modify them a lot so they fit how I like, as they were high-waisted when I got them. The layer I've got on over the jumper is basically just a collection of scrap fabric that I sewed together. There's not really enough of it to be calling it a top, so I'm always a bit stuck as to what to call it. This was filmed in the understairs cupboard that's accessed from outside because it was really windy and I wanted it to be visible that I'd actually done something with my hair that day. I layered 2 shrugs over this strappy dress. It's a great way of making your more summery items wearable all year round. I really enjoy wearing this dress as it's comfortable and simply made, but the pattern makes it much more of a statement item. It was a fun coincidence that my skirt matched the scaffolding here. I was also wearing a hazard stripe choker earlier in the day, but I took it off whilst at home and then forgot to put it back on for a walk. I also had yellow eyeshadow on, but you can't really see it very well. The cropped jacket was a recent DIY. I have made a video, which I will link for you. It's much more wearable now. I recently cropped this jumper and put some rips in it, but I need to sew the raw edge because it keeps unravelling. I've been getting back into knitting this past month or so and found some imitation mohair yarn in a charity shop, which I made the shrug and sleeves I'm wearing here from. This dress is made of a very windproof fabric, which is why I chose to wear it this day. This was around the time where we had 3 really big storms here in the UK. That's also why I've got my hair tied up. The harness I also made recently. I made it so it was very interchangeable and modular, so I can wear it loads of different ways. I'll be doing a video on stuff I've made recently, so you'll have a better look at it then. And a final bonus outfit for you. This is what I wore on Christmas Day this year, or last year technically. I like doing slightly more formal, but still gothic looks for events, as it's a style I enjoy, but not ready for everyday wear for me personally. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you enjoyed the voiceover telling you a bit more about each outfit.